Alright, so we gonna
YouTube?
hit
This your
y'all
girl
boys with a
Brianna in the
montage.
cut, and today we are making
Take it
slime.
back and see.
Blue. I mean, this is purple.
We need good lighting.
This is that was purple. This is blue, and the pink is, and we got pink.
Brianna!
Oops.
Knocked over the phone ball.
And we got
Phone balls and
the spoons, the bowls, and we're going to put slime balls in it, and we're going to use gang for the contact solution.
Oh,
So I'm going to put you guys right
oh,
here.
Brianna, you should have never did that. Now I don't know how to get them all up.
oh yeah, today.
Okay, so you just forget about it.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Let's
guys.
get started, Al.
So first we're gonna pour in
Our glue.
our glue.
Make sure
Our
y'all get
glue.
all your phone balls out your bowl if y'all got any because it's gonna mix up your slime.
And we got forks, and Brianna got a spoon.
Yeah, I got a spoon that got
But
forks.
she's special.
Okay, and then so
Supposedly.
so right now I'm gonna pour in my purple glue.
I'm about to pour in
I'm
my
pouring it a little
We
bit if she
can't
went.
use all of it because we gotta save some for us.
No, I'm not saving nothing for her.
We don't have to. Grandma didn't say that
Oh,
because they're trying to be making slime at home.
And she sure don't be
She
burning
should-
it down here.
Exactly.
I ain't gonna use
Now I'm stirring it. My blue.
Cause I got a pretty big bowl. Don't you know you really gotta use all of that?
I'm doing a test round.
No,
I'm using most of it. Cause I know it's gonna work.
No,
Huh?
okay, since it already got color, I'm gonna wait to put my foam balls in. So
Foam
first we
balls,
go,
girl.
I'm at foam. So I'm gonna get
I'm
a
gonna
little
put my
bit of
foam
game.
balls last.
Some, oh no, there's a lot of game.
Let me use some.
Oh, that's what's next.
Yeah, I ain't putting my foam balls in. Y'all put them on. Oh my god, it's already warming.
I think I might put mine in next time.
Okay, y'all, here goes some game.
Here go my glitter.
Well, we got
My
the
clear
game,
blue.
y'all. Well, it's gonna be a boring video, but
Nobody freaking cares, because we told y'all at the beginning, our videos are gonna be cringy.
oh, but those two different words.
Now I just put
mine
the
already
game.
formed.
Mine
I
already
don't know why
formed.
Naya put the camera all the way over here.
My forming too.
Mine forming too. I just need a little bit more game.
I think.
This gonna be a little piece
I
of
don't-
slime we got.
Yeah, I don't put too much. I'm gonna put some more glue because I was gonna put too much game.
Oh no, your phone's here. Okay, so mine turned, but it just
It vibrated.
no, it just turned on. Okay,
Yeah,
guys, so
so-
mine turned. Now I'm playing with it because I want to.
Okay, I think I'm gonna need a little bit more game. More game.
You can either use Gain or Contact Solution. We're using Gain because we ain't got no Contact Solution.
And we ain't got time for all that, so
Yeah, so
Mine
we
didn't work.
just the cheap people.
I
Like
forgot how I
Queen
make
said,
slime.
she's a cheap person.
yeah, but
I
she
forgot how to make slime.
Him cheap though.
Brenna,
I forgot how to make slime. Yes, I
Okay,
really
put the
did.
phone balls in now.
I ain't going jacking now. I'm making mine get sticky because it's sticky. Y'all, mine's so
I thought that was
sticky.
it.
Ah, so stretchy. I just love it. I just love the color and the texture.
Mine not sticky at all.
Can you?
Mine
Can
is
you
a
do
little
mine?
bit sticky because it's a like.
Friend,
Brianna said she forgot how to make slime. I feel like she's lying because it wasn't that long since we made slime.
No, it wasn't. Well, y'all,
Really. That
Y'all
was.
help me here.
And Brianna, it's freaking forming. What the freak do you need help
Nuh-uh.
with?
Like, look. Is this forming? Is
Yes.
this forming?
Yes.
Is this forming?
Yes.
Y'all, I forgot how to make slime.
Okay, yeah, my hands are sticky now. So I'm trying to get it to where it's not gonna be sticky no more. So I'm just sticking my
Help
hand
me here.
in here right now and like get some game.
hold up, Brianna. We trying to make.
We're trying to make
Ours
our own
too.
slime.
Well, we trying to
I'm
make.
not at like
Never mind.
Okay,
Mine
I
done.
told you like, well, yeah. What did I tell you?
She told herself actually. And I'm gonna need some
Okay, so
foam.
yeah, no, I'm about to like, yeah.
Y'all, my slime, y'all.
Sticky. Do y'all ever hate like
Look
if you watch
at
slime
it.
videos, then people be adding too much extra contact solution for no freaking reason?
Yeah, and they already got enough.
I hate that.
That's why they never put it back on camera because it'd be gone.
Yeah, they be roachy.
No, it'd be like that slime we have with that saline solution.
Yeah, Naya, that's
Saline.
No, not at her house. Now you be having a saline solution, and that junk is bad. don't get regular contact
But
solution.
stop, because Walmart can sue you.
What kind of Walmart person will watch this?
No, Boogie, because people can go tell Walmart and stuff and they can search it up. Because I had junk from me before. And they sued me.
Really? No, yeah. Okay, so y'all can see mine sticking to my hand.
As y'all can see, I got foam balls in there already because I'm extra, you know.
Listen to phone balls.
Well, that one fine, yeah.
I'm finna add the foam balls to pink one.
We suck so
I
bad.
poured too much.
I already hear
Damn, Brianna.
Okay, so y'all,
That goes
mine is
some-
forming. It's hard.
It's not even sticky.
right now.
I mean, it's not even.
Crunchy.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all can see mine a little bit. Now you grab the camera.
Yeah, okay, let me turn on the kitchen light real quick. Look at some money. Where the kitchen light? Where y'all kitchen light at?
Behind the bag, that blue bag on the counter.
Okay, y'all, so mine
Or the box.
ain't that sticky no more. So I'm playing with
Is it helping our camera?
Yeah.
The-
Y'all, I
it's
added
like-
the pink ball, slime balls.
Is it crunchy?
Yeah,
I
mine
hear
started.
Brianna's crunching. Maya, I can't even see us. Bring it like right here. Yeah, put it in front of the game.
Y'all,
Daddy can see y'all.
y'all, this is my slime.
Here goes my
Y'all
slime.
can't see.
It's a light dark. It's like a lightish purplish. I love it. It's very cute. Glittery. I
But
got
you can't
glitter
make
on.
mine sticky.
Just keep on adding nails to it. That's how you gotta do, sweetie.
Have you forgot about your video?
No. Here go my slime, y'all. I just need to add more more.
Okay.
Tell y'all
guys.
Brianna Rappley fans, which is me. It's it. Did y'all see Adriana's story time? She lied.
What?
Her story time on her YouTube channel. She lied.
What? Show me.
Okay,
She talked
guys.
about her dad and then was pranking her and her brother and her sister. I'm like, what is you talking about? Yo, what?
She don't got no brother. Her brother is
Heaven.
No, he not.
no Josh. Josh is
yeah.
her.
I was talking about their stepbrother. I'm sorry.
How come her dad and
What are
her
you
brother
talking about?
prank on her?
Our
But
video.
how can her dad and her
He don't
brother?
never be down there for one thing.
Yeah, and
I'm talking about my daddy.
yeah, and Josh don't even be up here.
I don't know, she's talking about her house and she's talking about upstairs and downstairs. I don't know. But my mama had some laxative in there. I started to burn it and put it in her drink. On her birthday.
Y'all, comment down
Did y'all
below
go out
if
to eat
y'all
with them?
no.
No. Oh, we don't get.
Comment down
Did you?
below if y'all like to make
They didn't invite me.
slime.
Ain't nobody does.
Hand me the game, y'all.
Yeah,
I'm
I
making
just
a mess.
forget.
See, hand me the game.
Y'all, mine is like getting all sticky, so I'm just gonna keep on playing with it. Let it get all sticky. Y'all ever hate when y'all try to play with y'all slime and just keep on getting stuck to you and everything like that?
Duh.
I'm pretty sure everybody. Oh my god, mine is
You
like
keep looking at the camera and I told you I paused it.
I'm sorry.
Why y'all haven't put no phone balls? That's the put in phone balls.
I put my phone balls, y'all.
Boogie
See,
gonna put it in there and it's gonna
Let
be
me
too.
see.
It's gonna be too late. You gotta put it in there while it's sticky so they'll stay in there.
Oh yeah, my bad.
And then when you put the slime in the bowl, phone balls will be all in the bowl.
Sorry, my bad. I didn't know.
a little bit amount of stuff in there.
I thought you could put it in there anytime.
Yeah, I'm
Hey, I'm trying to get mine unsticky. That's what I'm trying
Me
to
too.
do.
Like I'm not.
Yeah, I'm trying to get mine on
Freak!
50, y'all.
Dang, I'm not gonna unpause our video
Don't pause it. Why did you pause it in the first place?
because it's got freaking 25 minutes.
Sorry guys, we have to pause the video.
Because I'm stupid. By the way, this is Naya. If y'all didn't know, niggas.
Okay, so that's fine.
I'm sorry. I gotta hit this.
You don't mind her language, y'all.
Oh, I said.
Y'all, this
Yeah, niggas, so yeah.
this video might be boring, but ain't have
Okay, guys,
nothing else
I'm
to
at-
Well,
vlog
we
for.
hood niggas, so y'all better have a get a good laugh.
Y'all get my
My
lights
stomach not
up.
turning.
Oh
Nigga,
god,
this
y'all
ain't
can
musical.
hear it crunching.
Every time on your musical, you say, "Get my lights up." It's on no why. Ah! Ah!
Now you have like that.
I'm just playing. I was just playing. That's my fake laugh. If y'all didn't know.
I did.
Yeah, everybody know you're a real hoe. No.
Yeah, my real laugh.
Mine is like a pinkish.
Yeah, let's make a slime bubble.
I ain't gonna about to try that. Look at that.
Look like a spider.
Hold on, I'm finna pause this video, y'all.
Okay, Okay, guys, so our big ass,
Hey y'all, I'm back.
she is back.
I'm still trying to
Brianna was lying to her YouTube channel.
get
Y'all,
this-
she was lying to y'all, so don't mind her.
No, that was I deleted that video.
Over it.
Yeah, I
You
deleted it.
sure about?
Yes, I did, but I did.
Okay, I was just asking.
Don't listen to them because I deleted that video, so y'all.
Y'all won't have to worry about it because she tried to lie to y'all. Even if she have
I
any
can't-
subscribers.
no.
Me and Brianna out of luck. We got 0. We got each other as subscribers, but y'all don't subscribe to my page.
Okay, guys, so my
Y'all,
slime is actually turning
I
I
out
subscribe to
sticky
yours, but you don't subscribe to mine.
because
How many
it's
subscribers
like-
you got?
3?
That's grandma.
No.
Is it me? Somebody else and somebody else. Oh, it's me, the life of 4, and Boogie.
I subscribe to you.
Who you?
Yeah.
I don't know. But if you didn't, go subscribe.
So right now, this is basically at the life of 3 because.
Yeah, they making me laugh.
Okay,
This
guys,
look
I'm
weird
gonna
because
keep
this
on,
blue
like,
glitter
adding
glue
dips
and pink
to
balls.
I got
slime.
pink balls and pink slime.
I'm gonna keep on adding dips to my. I'm gonna keep on adding.
Hey, you
dips
guys, my
to my
slime.
I need some game dips.
because it's not like a one.
Y'all finna make some work with the rest of my glitter glue.
No,
This
I
was
got
just a
so-
test run
but
and
this
it
is
went
supposed to be for all
okay.
of us, 'cause that's what Grandma said when we first got it.
We still got some more.
I can use all mine.
I ain't about to get
I'm just not going to do it, but I'm not saying clean on there because you're not always this wrong.
Okay, so yeah.
I'm not even
guys.
worried about Adrian because she always cheers
So,
on.
yeah, guys. So this is actually pretty slime.
Y'all don't listen to what we saying
Yeah, 'cause it's fake.
because
Behind her cousin, that's like that.
My sister back.
I will talk about behind her back.
I was just playing.
Okay, go pause the life before plus. Brianna talking too much.
Whatever, yeah. Stop talking.
Dang, why would they subscribe to a people who don't like you?
We do like each other. We actually love each other. So
I don't like
think
you.
that.
I don't like you.
I don't like you either.
Okay. Brianna, you wanna come to Florida with me?
I was just playing.
I swear.
No, I don't want to go to Florida right now.
Okay.
I don't want
So
to
I'm
travel
adding a
right
little
now.
bit more blue because
Okay.
I like it.
Mama, oh Boogie, I meant to tell you, Mama, what my mama said about Florida. She said she don't want to go no more. Serious, I'm dead ass. I said dead ass, but I'm dead ass serious because she don't wanna go no more because she ain't got no passenger beside her, and she gotta watch kids and stuff. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm finna make some more.
Okay, guys. Mine
My
is
test
like
run went
like
alright.
sticky.
Get your feet off my candy.
Get your candy off the floor.
Y'all, cause somebody called Grandma and she can't do all this, but I like it. So,
Well, I don't think she would have told, cause I don't think she would have told us to make
save
slime.
something for Adriana.
What are you talking about? You talking about a whole
She
different
told us
thing.
she would have told us to say something for Adrian.
Yeah, she would have said save some or say no. We gotta wait on Adriana. She would have said one of those. You know, but Grandma don't know nothing about no saving slime, glue, something.
Here,
Cause then
Put
if you
some
ask
more.
her, grown-ups always say
Put
yeah
some
once
more.
you ask them.
can you put some more gang in that thing? Y'all see I'm making some
Yeah,
more.
she.
I'm
Mine
making
is too. I got foam balls all over me looking like Lady Gaga.
some. Y'all, I'm
Lady
making
Gaga,
some
If
more.
you watching this Lady Gaga, I do not like your pink hat.
Y'all,
Oh.
I'm swear, Lady Gaga. You ugly Lady Gaga.
see, look at her hands. She look, her hands
Why
is
would
Lady
be
Gaga.
wearing this?
Hand me the cup. I'm at the top.
But Chris Brown, if you watching this, you sexy. Trey
Love
Songz,
you.
Trey Songz, if you watching this,
I'm on a Trey, you sassy, you fine.
you know I wanna hump you in the bed.
Like, you nasty.
Yeah, excuse.
Night, Brianna made the biggest piece of slime.
She sure did.
Like, your slime is big.
And my hands are sticky. I'm looking like Lady Gaga. Okay, let me go up to everybody. Gotta get an interview. With this one. I'm looking
Bring it down here.
Gaga right now. Looking like fucking Gaga.
Wait, am I the only person that ain't put my slime down and started poking it?
I started poking mine.
Oh, I started poking yours too. So bring this up for me.
But anyway, so I got pink slime
This is very cool.
freaking Lady Gaga.
I like it.
Now I'm starting it with the spoon.
I just told my camera something about Lady Gaga. I
What you
that.
say, like?
I said looking like Lady Gaga will never be matching.
Y'all, if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel or the Life of 4 channel, go subscribe now.
Green and blue shorts
Yeah, I will wear it.
and some gray shoes.
If I'm not wearing it, if I'm not going somewhere, then I will wear it.
But shut up, she go and puts it every day.
Oh,
Because she
never mind.
Lady Gaga.
Oh yeah, sorry, Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga always wear pink and green.
That's your favorite color, probably.
Lady, Nicki Minaj match now. Nigga Minaj.
Nigga,
Nigga Minaj, if you're watching this, I love you.
well, nigga, when
I love you.
watching
You're my
this.
idol, Nigga Minaj.
No, you stop.
Yeah, look
Y'all,
at
she
me.
right.
Yeah,
Nicki
look at
Minaj,
the
she making fun of your name.
Ew, your hands look so.
No, I'm talking about.
freaking
Oh,
weird.
y'all, my bad. I didn't see y'all could know my phone, but I will.
Okay, guys, I'm about to come up there because Nadia ain't being fair with the freaking camera,
Yes, I
and I'm about to show y'all Brianna's slime.
am. No, you're not.
I showed you my slime.
You showed your channel your slime.
No,
but she
we're
ain't
not
go up
there.
She
I
didn't
pop-
come up here.
Oh my bad, I didn't see her.
So put my slime down.
You
See
know
y'all.
Brianna's slime, y'all. But Brianna made the biggest slime. Wow.
So right now, just crush it.
Y'all just need to fix it.
Lady Gaga, if you're watching this, I don't mean to hit your white race, but you look.
You too white.
What the hell? Is
Okay, so here go my slime. No, my freaking your balls are talking.
She was
guys.
talking.
So here
I had
goes
to
my
talk
slime.
it back.
Here's
Talk
my
it,
slime.
baby. Talk it.
I don't like girl. How go Boogie?
No.
Hold on, y'all. Y'all, Boogie, how does it go?
Ew, now you're sticky and feels weird.
Boogie, how does it go?
Balls in it.
I thought Brianna didn't know how to make slime, but look, hers ain't sticky or jack.
I don't.
Okay, guys, you know what?
Y'all girls, who like twerk, y'all need
Y'all nasty because I don't twerk. I do my homework. Now
y'all girls nasty because y'all twerk. I don't. Y'all twerk. Y'all girls nasty. Y'all twerk and I don't. How it go, Boogie?
What's up, squad?
It's your girl, Tanaya and Janae.
We get we recording our
So
on her other channel.
YouTube video. So yeah, we are.
This is part 2.
This is part
of course.
2.
Of course, niggers.
Yeah, it's thick. I'm trying to get.
Gonna have a
This is
part-
this is my second test run,
Well, nobody
so I'm trying to get it unsticky.
This is only 18, supposed to be 18 minutes, and the last one was supposed to be 35, and it went to like 15.
20.
15. Whatever.
Yeah, so comment down below what kind of slime do y'all got. Do you guys
Hers
like?
is sticky and looks so
Of
weird.
course, it's bubblegum pop.
Hand me my other slime.
Of course, it's bubblegum pop.
Your slime getting sticky.
Put it on the box.
Bubblegum pop.
I didn't tell you to pick it up.
I did want to pick it up. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to get a slime bubble. So with that.
Yeah, I'm just playing with this one so it can get unsticky.
Here goes y'all pop. Anyways, I got some bubblegum pop on the deck. And then right here we got some raspberry delicious. From
Hey, the Life of 4 Squad gang
Is it raspberry lemonade?
nation.
No, mine is great. Mine is great berry.
What's up? Been too cute for you. Nation Squad, wherever y'all want me to call y'all.
Gray strawberry.
Comment down below what y'all want me to call y'all.
Gray strawberry.
Nation Squad gang.
Yours like spider web pink. That's
Well,
what you should call it.
funny.
Y'all
Okay,
see,
and then, so
today's
yeah.
just like a day where we make slime and
No, it ain't
chillax.
Brianna. Shut up.
So we're gonna probably put on some acrylic nails.
But it is.
I'm gonna get some acrylic
I need to
nails.
call my daddy. Actually.
Yeah, so we're gonna call.
See,
I'm about to go wash my hands, so come with me. I'll see y'all in the bathroom. Come on, let's go wash my
Nadia, see if your dad outside.
hands. No, I'm about to call him. Get my phone, Boogie.
What if they really did?
Get my phone so we can ask him.
Hey, hold on.
Y'all, I'm finna add the foam balls in here. I meant the pink slime balls. Yeah, that's enough. See, I just put it down. finna add some more foam balls if y'all can see this. I'm finna add some more. See y'all, today has been a long day for me. Now I'm going to put y'all right here. Yeah, today has been a long day for me because today I almost got into a fight at school, but I told myself that I'm not going to start any drama or keep any anger in me. And I promised that myself back, so I'm going to do that. So I calmed myself down before I even put my hands on that little girl at school because she, I wish I could just tell y'all more, but I'm just going to keep my mouth shut. Y'all, I will, if I don't, y'all, we will, I'm gonna show y'all putting on my nails after when they get here, because I'm gonna be putting on my own nails, and after that I'm going to be making my slime, playing with my slime, and I'm gonna add some more of these in here. Because now they're in the bathroom calling my uncle because he's the one who buying the nails and stuff. Now I am gonna make another run of my slime because this is the second one. This is the second test. I'm gonna show y'all the first test. This is the second one. This is the first one. Yeah, this one, the first one got more balls in it, slime balls. We was gonna use the colorful slime balls, but we said never mind. We'll just use the pink ones. See. See, y'all hear that crunching? Y'all barely can hear it, but yeah. So this is my first one. That was my first one.
What you been doing?
Playing with us on the video.
Of course, doing her little YouTube video. Y'all make sure y'all unsubscribe from her channel. And make sure y'all go subscribe to Naya Baker. You ain't even got no subscribers, so why you talking about y'all? We both be talking to the camera and don't got no subscribers. But I'm still.
Y'all, don't listen to me.
How would you keep saying y'all?
Because I can say y'all.
Because people may watch.
Okay.
Now you don't know.
But yeah, I'm just playing with her. Leave me alone.
I'm just playing with you too. Y'all, my slime is like really.
I don't know who you talking to.
Y'all,
Oh, your slime
this is the bomb.
Weird. Ew, Naya. Why did you add so much?
Y'all, if I haven't told y'all in the last
Your
video,
slime's
I have
sticky.
3 sisters, 3 brothers, 2 cousins, and
What you mean 2 cousins? You got more than 2 cousins.
I got more than 2 cousins, but I got
Naya, I'm gonna make your slime.
I mainly see 2 of my cousins on a daily basis, and
Well, yeah, 2 of your cousins that you mostly see.
yeah, and the 2 cousins that I see on a daily basis is Tanaya and Adriana. And if y'all go watch the life of 4, y'all will get to know them and my sister and me more.
I was just setting up the camera for y'all because I'm about to leave.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
Okay, bye. No, she don't.
Y'all gonna end this video, but I will be back with more videos tomorrow.
See
See
y'all
y'all.
later, like before I quit YouTube.
Y'all tomorrow. Bye.
I do quit YouTube, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Stop.
She said that she.
Sorry. I quit YouTube. Got a problem with it?
Yeah.
What's the problem?
These nuts.
Move.
You move.
Hey, you're looking right
Y'all don't listen to them, but
Actually, I don't
peace.
Want to. I'm gonna speak.
No. Let me do
Yes,
this.
you do.
Peace.
You're ugly, too.
I'm not ugly. I'm prettier than you.